Hello children, today is 9th of June 2021 and the day is Wednesday. This video is for class 6, subject English grammar. In this video, we are going to learn about nouns, gender, chapter number 5. So let's get started. So the question is, what is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. जेंडर यह डिफ्रेंशिएट करता है कि कोई भी पर्सन, एनिमल, बर्ड, इंसेक्ट मैस्कुलिन जेंडर है या फेमिनिन जेंडर। मैस्कुलिन जेंडर को हिंदी में पुल्लिंग कहते हैं और फेमिनिन जेंडर को स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं। Nouns are divided into 4 categories according to their genders. Nouns are divided into 4 categories according to their genders. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, man, sir, king, horse, author, poet, lion, etc. वह संज्ञा जो पुरुष जाति के विषय में जानकारी देता है उसे पुल्लिंग कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट, फेमिनिन जेंडर। A noun that refers to a female. A noun that refers to a female is said to be of the feminine gender. For example, girl, woman, madam, queen, lioness, poetess, etc. वह संज्ञा जो स्त्री जाति के विषय में जानकारी देता है उसे स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं। कॉमन जेंडर। A noun that refers to either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. A noun that refers to either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. For example, student, friend, child, engineer, teacher, etc. वह संज्ञा जो पुरुष जाति या स्त्री जाति दोनों का बोध कराता है उसे सामान्य लिंग कहते हैं। For example, student, friend, child, engineer, teacher. These all words are common gender. Student, friend, child, engineer, teacher ये सभी masculine gender भी हो सकते हैं और feminine gender भी हो सकते हैं। And the last one is neuter gender. A noun that refers to a non-living thing. A noun that refers to a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. For example, table, chair, book, bag, etc. Neuter gender. वह संज्ञा जो निर्जीव वस्तुओं का बोध कराता है उसे न्यूटर जेंडर कहते हैं। Formation of feminine gender of nouns. A number of nouns change to feminine form by adding ess to the masculine form. Now see, masculine gender and feminine gender. Author, host, poet, shepherd, lion, count. Now simply we have to add ess at the end of each masculine noun like author, So what is the feminine noun for author? Authoress. AUTHORESS. Host. Hostess. HOSTESS. Poet. Poetess. POETESS. Shepherd. Shepherdess. SHEPHERDESS. Lion. Lioness. LIONESS. Count. Countess. COUNTESS. Sometimes spellings may have to be altered slightly before adding the ESS. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं मैस्कुलिन नाउन के जिनके स्पेलिंग में हम थोड़ा सा चेंजिंग करने के बाद ESS लगाते हैं, लाइक एक्टर, एम्परर, गवर्नर, हेडमास्टर, हंटर, टाइगर, वेटर, instructor. So the spelling of actor is ACTOR, and when we write feminine noun for actor, so the spelling will be ACTRESS actress. Here we removed O and then we add ESS after R. You can see here ACTOR actor, ACTRESS actress. Next, emperor, EMPEROR emperor. And the feminine noun of emperor is empress, EMPRESS. Governor, governess, GOVERNOR governor, GOVERNESS governess. Headmaster. Feminine noun of headmaster is headmistress. HEAD head, MISTRESS headmistress. Hunter. Huntress. HUNTRESS huntress. Tiger. Tigress. TIGRESS tigress. Waiter. Waitress. WAITRESS waitress. Instructor. Instructress. INSTRUCTRESS instructress. In most of the cases, an entirely different word is used, like brother, sister, husband, wife, uncle, aunt, man, woman, grandfather, grandmother, hero, heroine, landlord, landlady, cock, hen, fox, vixen, boy, girl, king, queen, father, mother, nephew, niece. Nephew means bhatija, niece means bhatiji. Son, daughter, sir, madam, milkman, milkmaid, MILKMAID, milkmaid. Washerman, washerwoman, bull, cow, drake, duck, horse, mare, peacock, peahen. Change the nouns from masculine to feminine gender. Boy, man, nephew, waiter, king, horse, and prince. Boy, man, nephew, waiter, king, horse, and prince. Next question. Change the nouns from feminine to masculine gender. Girl, mother, queen, peahen, princess, mare, milkmaid, washerwoman, and hostess. So students, in this video this much only. In our next video we will do some more exercises related to the chapter nouns gender. So students, you have to do your homework in your English grammar notebook in proper handwriting.